The increasing gale or storm signal number 9 was issued at 7 p.m. At 8 p.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 70 kilometers south of the Hong Kong Observatory and is forecast to move northwest or west-northwest slowly, edging closer to the Pearl River estuary. The eye wall of Typhoon Koinu is approaching the Pearl River estuary. Intense rain bands associated with Koinu are affecting Hong Kong. Under the influence of Koinu, gale force winds are affecting many places of the territory, with occasional storm force winds offshore and on high ground. According to the present forecast track, the closest distance between Koinu and the Hong Kong Observatory will be about 60 to 70 kilometers. Local winds will change gradually from northeast to easterly winds. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Please stay on high alert. Depending on the changes in the local wind conditions, the observatory will assess the need for issuing the hurricane signal number 10. Heavy squally showers are expected to affect Hong Kong today and tomorrow. Please pay attention to the latest weather bulletin issued by the observatory. Finally, please be reminded to stay at a safe place as seas are very high and there are swells. Stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas and not to engage in water sports activities.